24 Types of Popular Pachypodium Pictorial Guide. Pachypodium, likewise called the Madagascar palm, is a genus of succulent plants belonging to Madagascar and some parts of Africa. These plants are known for their unique bottle-shaped or round stems, which can grow up to 15 meters high in their natural habitat. Pachypodium brevical, Pachypodium bispinosum, Pachypodium densiflorum, Pachypodium eburneum, Pachypodium gayi, Pachypodium horumbens, Pachypodium lamari, Pachypodium laeli, Pachypodium namaquanum, Pachypodium rosulatum, Pachypodium sandersii, Pachypodium succulentum. Pachypodiums are popular as ornamental plants due to their unique appearance and ease of care. They are relatively durable and can be grown in a range of conditions, from full sun to partial shade. They are likewise fairly drought-tolerant, making them ideal for garden enthusiasts in deserts. With their unique shapes, spiny stems, and fragrant flowers, Pachypodium are sure to add interest and charm to any outside area. Please visit asucculent.com for the complete list.